Remember, your spirit loves to communicate through images and messages, and today's symbolic image is those eyeglass cleaning wipes. I love it when Spirit comes up with these really odd images, and I love to hear the outcome. So what Spirit is saying is, have you been looking for great clarity through the glasses of life? You've been looking at everything, and have you been influenced by everything that you've been seeing? Or maybe you've been influenced by what you've been shown, or maybe you are being influenced by a lot of information that maybe is just not even true for you, and it just keeps building up that thickness and thickness and thickness on your glasses to where it's like you can't even see anymore. So what Spirit is saying is take those glass cleaning wipes and polish up your eyeglasses to crystal clear so that you can have the clarity that you desire in life, and that you can begin to see the world in all the ways that your spirit, your soul wishes for you to see all the clarity. So enjoy your newfound lightness and brightness of your eyes, even your spiritual eye, your third eye, and start looking at the world in the way that you're intended to see it, not the ways that everybody else wants you to see it. Enjoy, and I look forward to seeing you in the next symbolic message.